Hi friends, welcome back to Anand Science Academy. Here is a question for you to work out. A true breeding pea plant, homozygous for inflated green pods, is crossed with another pea plant with constricted yellow pods. The given genotype is small f, small g. First question, what would be the genotype and phenotype of F1 and F2 generations? Second question, give the phenotypic ratio of F2 generation. Third question, state the generalization proposed by Mendel on the basis of the overmentioned cross. First, write the parents. Inflated green, constricted yellow. The phenotypes. And you also mentioned the gender or sex. Here in the question, it is not mentioned. So you can have any one parent as female and the other one as male. Below that, you write the genotype. In the question it is mentioned pure breeding, so that both the alleles for the character will be of same type. Here we are taking it as capital F, capital G. And the constricted yellow is the recessive character and it is also mentioned in the question. So we are taking it as small f, small g. Next, the gametes produced by them. All the gametes are of same type, so that only once if you mention that is enough. Capital F, capital G, small f, small g. In the F1 generation, during fertilization they combine and they have the genotype capital F, capital G, small g. And here itself you mention the phenotype also. All inflated green pods. The next step is the F1 generation progeny are self-crossed. So to mention that, you just draw an arrow mark and then you write selfing. To avoid confusion, once again you write this F1 genotype. Below this, let us have the gametes. Here, 4 different types of gametes are produced because it is a hybrid. So, 4 different combinations are possible. You mentioned them. As it is a self-cross, once again you write this to avoid confusion and to make your answer more clear. You can show the F2 generation in the checkerboard or Punnett square. You draw the 16 boxes and you write the gametes, and once again you mention male and female gametes in the box, and you have to write the progeny genotypes. All the 16 genotypes, write carefully, because sometimes in a hurry when you write you may go wrong. Be double careful while writing this, because for this checkerboard itself separate 2 marks will be given in the 5-mark question. Even though you have worked out the cross perfectly, it's important to write the answer according to the question. Here the first question asked is, write the genotype and phenotype of F1 and F2 generation. First you write for F1 generation. Only one genotype you have there. Capital F, capital G, small g. And the phenotype, all are inflated green pods. In the F2 generation, you have got 4 different types of phenotypes. Inflated green, inflated yellow, constricted green, constricted yellow. And you write the genotypes. What are all the genotypes coming under each phenotype? And next, the second question is the phenotypic ratio of F2 generation. Let's see that. Whenever you write the ratio, you mention all the different phenotypes and then you write the ratio. so that it will be clear. Your answer will be precise and clear. Here it is: inflated green, inflated yellow, constricted green and constricted yellow. 4 different types of phenotypes we have got, and the ratio is 9:3:3:1. The third question here is, state the generalization Mendel proposed based on this dihybrid cross. That is law of independent assortment. When 2 pairs of traits are combined in a hybrid, segregation of one pair of characters is independent of the other pair of characters. This is the law proposed by Mendel based on his dihybrid cross. Hope you are clear, my dear friends. I'll give this answer in the description for your future reference also. All the best.